Here's your 3-minute bodyweight arms blaster. Suspension trainer, either vertically anchored or onto a power rack. You can also anchor it to a wall, door frame. There's lots of options. Again, I don't know what your setup is, but what we're gonna do is 90 seconds bis, 90 seconds tries, stacked together for 3 minutes of total work, eccentric, isometric throughout. So 3 to 4 seconds lowering, 1 to 2 second pause in the contraction, repeat that process. So we'll start with bis. You can either do a rotational action like this, or you can keep them relatively open. It's up to you. I kind of like doing the rotation, so I'm here, making that good bridge position. And what I love about these two is you decide how hard you want to work based on your body angle. The lower you are to the floor, the harder it is. The more inclined you are, the easier it is. You can also change and adjust quickly mid-set. So we're here, I'm gonna come up, squeeze for 1, 2, really try to cramp up those biceps, make them softballs, and then lower for 3 to 4 seconds, just like that. It's too easy, I'll get a little more here. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 90 seconds of that. Quickly turn right away. And many of you had said you have elbow issues or trouble to get your arms overhead. You can work on both by doing this movement correctly at the right angle. So what we're gonna do is start with the hands. And again, you wanna get almost make it too easy in the beginning on this, all right? Because again, the issue is people try to do this movement and get like really extended out, and then there's so much load coming through the elbow joint, which is obviously a weaker joint than the shoulder. So we're here, eyes at face, hands at eye level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch right there. 1 to 2 second hold right there. Making sure we're pulling the ribs and shoulders down, crunching the abs, glutes tight. You're holding that tight plank position and making sure that your thumbs are turning in. You really want to stretch and mobilize upper mid back, lats, triceps. Then push up. 1, slow, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right back. Understand anytime you add isometric tempos, slower negatives, there's more muscle damage, which means more soreness, especially initially, but also more potential muscle growth. It's one of the biggest drivers of muscle gain, but we don't want to overwhelm our bodies and make it so aggressive, and you want to stay in motion for 90 seconds. So make sure, that 3-minute sequence, the arms will just be, that's why I just go sleeveless, because they're going to rip anyway. Peace.